The new Kittl AI image generator is pretty awesome. Between the text prompt box as well as the style presets, including even vector styles, you can generate some really awesome art. And here are just a few generations to show you. You can see the prompt on the left and the style preset on the right. I can imagine how easy it would be to just generate art in your niche and sell it digitally or as album covers or even prints. But today we're going to use Kittl AI to generate some fun avatar characters. To test this out, I decided to generate 4 avatars: my brother Drew and his wife, as well as myself and my girlfriend, to see how close I can get all 4 of these generations, not only to how we look, but also the style of the avatars themselves. So let's start with Drew. With this generation, the prompt I used was anime character with dark hair and a man bun and a beard with brown eyes and black glasses, wearing a brown sweater, which is pretty specific, but I found that the more specific you are, the better the AI actually works. So with that prompt, I was able to generate 3 versions of Drew, and I just chose this one since it's the most accurate and I like the style of it. I repeated this process with the rest of us, just making small adjustments to the prompt to best describe us. For myself, I got these 3 generations and chose this one. For Megan, I generated these, and this one was wildly accurate, so I chose that. And with Kaylin, I got these 3, and again, this one was just crazy accurate, so I had to choose it. After about 15 minutes, I had avatars of all 4 of us, and it was actually pretty fun to just text them their characters and get everybody's reaction. Now, this is just a fraction of the capabilities of the new AI. Definitely just go try it out for yourself using Kittl. Keep in mind, we also have a background remover tool that can make all of these perfect cutouts, so you could make stickers, clothing, phone cases, mugs, whatever you want with whatever you generate. You can even try this AI with a free Kittl plan, and you'll get 20 AI credits to try this out for yourself. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.